Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart, the bariatric diet. If you're considering or have already undergone bariatric surgery, you know that this journey is about so much more than just the procedure itself. It's a commitment to a healthier lifestyle, and a huge part of that is adopting a new way of eating. We're going to break down the post-surgery dietary phases, week by week, from the initial liquid stage to transitioning back to solid foods. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only, and it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance tailored to your specific needs and health history. This journey is all about making sustainable changes for long-term success. The first few weeks after surgery are a period of adjustment as your body heals and adapts to its new normal. During this time, your diet will be highly structured to ensure you're getting adequate nutrition while allowing your stomach to heal properly. We'll be focusing on the first 12 weeks post-surgery, taking you through each phase step by step. We'll cover the types of foods allowed, portion sizes, and tips for making mealtime as smooth and enjoyable as possible. We'll also be discussing the importance of protein, hydration, and essential nutrients you'll need to prioritize during this critical time. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of the bariatric diet, stick around because we're about to break it all down. Alright, let's dive into the first phase of the post-bariatric surgery diet, the liquid phase. This typically lasts for the first 1 to 3 weeks after surgery, and it's all about giving your body time to heal and adjust. During this time, you'll be focusing on clear liquids like water, broth, and sugar-free juice. These are easy to digest and won't put too much strain on your stomach. You'll want to sip slowly throughout the day, aiming for small, frequent sips rather than gulping down large amounts at once. Your doctor will likely give you specific guidelines on how much fluid to consume each day. It's essential to stay hydrated during this phase, as dehydration can hinder healing and lead to complications. Remember, listen to your body. If you feel any discomfort or fullness, slow down or take a break. As you progress through the liquid phase, your doctor may gradually introduce protein shakes or protein-rich liquids. Protein is crucial for healing, maintaining muscle mass, and supporting overall recovery. Choose protein powders that are low in sugar and additives and follow the recommended serving sizes provided by your healthcare team. You can also explore protein-rich options like Greek yogurt, bone broth, or blended soups, always ensuring they are smooth and free of any chunks. Hydration remains paramount throughout this phase. Aim to drink water consistently between meals, as drinking too much liquid with meals can lead to discomfort or feeling overly full. Remember, small sips are key. The liquid phase can be challenging, both physically and emotionally. It's normal to experience some discomfort, fatigue, or even food cravings. The key is to be patient with yourself and focus on the bigger picture of your health journey. Keep a journal to track your food intake, fluid consumption, and how you're feeling. This can help you identify any potential triggers or patterns and allow you to communicate more effectively with your healthcare team. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Reach out to your support system, whether it's family, friends, or a bariatric support group. Sharing your experiences and challenges with others who understand can provide invaluable encouragement and motivation. Congratulations on making it through the liquid phase. Now let's move on to weeks 4 through 6, where we'll gradually introduce semi-liquid foods into your diet. This transition is all about slowly increasing the variety and texture of your meals while still prioritizing easy digestion. Think of foods that are soft, smooth, and easily mashed with a fork. Good options include well-cooked oatmeal, creamy soups without chunks, mashed sweet potatoes, and ricotta cheese. You can also start incorporating protein sources like scrambled eggs, mashed avocado, and well-blended cottage cheese. The key here is to listen to your body and progress at your own pace. If you experience any discomfort such as nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea, slow down and consult with your healthcare provider. They can help you adjust your diet as needed. As you become more comfortable with semi-liquids, you can start experimenting with slightly thicker consistencies. Think about adding in well-cooked and mashed vegetables such as carrots, zucchini, or squash. You can also introduce soft fruits like bananas, applesauce, or canned peaches without the skin. Protein remains crucial during this phase. Continue to incorporate protein shakes, Greek yogurt, and soft tofu. You can also start exploring ground meat options, such as ground turkey or chicken, ensuring they are well cooked and moist. As you reintroduce different foods, pay attention to how your body responds. Some foods may be easier to tolerate than others. Keep a food journal to track your meals, portion sizes, and any reactions you experience. During weeks 4 to 6, it's important to focus on developing mindful eating habits that will support your long-term success. This means slowing down, chewing your food thoroughly, and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Start by eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. Aim for 5 to 6 small meals rather than 3 large ones. This can help prevent overeating and promote better digestion. Remember, your stomach is still healing and adjusting to its smaller size. Avoid distractions while eating, such as watching TV or scrolling through your phone. Instead, create a calm and relaxing environment where you can focus on your meal and savor each bite. This can help you become more aware of your body's signals and prevent overeating. Welcome to weeks 7 through 12, a significant milestone where we introduce semi-solid foods into your diet. This phase focuses on gradually increasing the texture and variety of your meals while continuing to prioritize gentle digestion. Think about incorporating foods that are soft, moist, and easily mashed or broken down with a fork. Excellent choices include well-cooked fish, ground meat dishes, scrambled eggs, and soft-cooked vegetables like sweet potatoes, carrots, and squash. You can also start experimenting with small amounts of cooked fruits, such as applesauce, mashed bananas, or canned peaches without the skin. Remember to introduce new foods one at a time and pay close attention to your body's response. As you expand your food choices, it's crucial to prioritize protein and nutrient density in your meals. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass, supporting satiety, and aiding in overall recovery. Aim to include a source of protein with each meal, such as fish, poultry, lean ground meat, beans, lentils, tofu, or Greek yogurt. Pair your protein with nutrient-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains to ensure you're getting a wide range of vitamins and minerals. Remember, portion control remains crucial during this phase. Start with smaller portions and gradually increase them as you tolerate. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, and stop eating when you feel satisfied, not overly full. As you progress through weeks 7 to 12, you'll likely encounter more social situations that involve food. Don't let this intimidate you. With a little planning and mindful choices, you can confidently navigate these occasions while staying true to your dietary needs. When dining out, review the menu ahead of time and look for options that align with your dietary guidelines. Don't hesitate to ask your server about ingredient substitutions or modifications to make the dish more suitable for you. Focus on protein and vegetable-rich choices, and be mindful of portion sizes. You can ask for a to-go container at the beginning of the meal and pack half of your portion away before you start eating. Remember, it's okay to prioritize your health and make choices that support your journey. Congratulations on reaching week 12. You've come a long way since your surgery and successfully navigated the different phases of the post-bariatric diet. Now it's time to transition to a balanced and sustainable way of eating that will support your long-term health and weight management goals. The focus now shifts to establishing healthy eating habits that you can maintain for life. This means prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, while limiting processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Continue to practice portion control and mindful eating, paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Remember, this is not about deprivation, but about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. As you transition to a more regular diet, it's important to be aware of common post-surgery issues and how to address them. One common concern is dumping syndrome, which can occur when food, especially sugary foods, enters the small intestine too quickly. To minimize the risk of dumping syndrome, avoid high-sugar foods and drinks, eat slowly and chew your food thoroughly, and separate liquids from meals. If you experience symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, or dizziness, consult with your healthcare provider. Another common issue is dehydration. Because your stomach is smaller, you may not be able to drink as much at once. Make a conscious effort to sip water throughout the day, aiming for at least 64 ounces of fluids daily. Remember, bariatric surgery is a tool to help you achieve your weight loss goals, but it's not a magic solution. Long-term success requires ongoing commitment to healthy lifestyle changes, including a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Find physical activities you enjoy and make them a part of your routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. Exercise not only helps with weight management but also improves mood, boosts energy levels, and promotes overall well-being. Continue to seek support from your healthcare team, support groups, and loved ones. Surround yourself with a positive and encouraging community that will help you stay motivated and accountable on your journey. Remember, you've already accomplished so much, and with continued dedication, you can achieve sustainable weight loss and a healthier, happier life. Let's get creative in the kitchen, even during the liquid phase. While this stage might seem restrictive, there are still plenty of delicious and nourishing options to keep your taste buds satisfied. And remember, always consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian to ensure these recipes align with your individual needs. For a refreshing and hydrating start to your day, try a berry protein smoothie. Blend together a half cup of unsweetened almond milk, a quarter cup of Greek yogurt, a handful of frozen berries, and a scoop of your favorite protein powder. The berries provide antioxidants and natural sweetness, while the yogurt adds a creamy texture. If you're craving something savory, a warm cup of creamy tomato soup can be incredibly comforting. Simply blend together a can of low-sodium diced tomatoes, a quarter cup of unsweetened almond milk, a pinch of dried oregano, and a dash of salt and pepper. Heat it up gently on the stovetop and enjoy. As you transition into the semi-liquid and semi-solid phases, you can start incorporating more variety and texture into your meals. This is a great time to experiment with different flavors and find what you enjoy most. Remember to start with small portions and listen to your body. For a satisfying and protein-packed breakfast, try scrambled eggs with cottage cheese and spinach. Whisk together 2 eggs with a tablespoon of water and a pinch of salt and pepper. Sauté a handful of spinach in a non-stick pan until wilted, then pour in the egg mixture and cook until set. Top with a dollop of low-fat cottage cheese for extra protein and creaminess. When you're ready for more substantial meals, a comforting chicken and vegetable puree is a great option. Simply cook boneless, skinless chicken breasts with your favorite vegetables, such as carrots, peas, and green beans until tender. Allow to cool slightly, then blend until smooth, adding a little low-sodium broth or water to achieve your desired consistency. As we wrap up our journey through the bariatric diet, remember this: you've got this. By prioritizing your health and embracing these dietary changes, you're setting yourself up for incredible, long-lasting results. Remember, this is about progress, not perfection. This journey is about so much more than just the number on the scale. It's about reclaiming your health, boosting your confidence, and living your life to the fullest. As you continue on your path, remember these key takeaways: listen to your body, celebrate your wins, and never hesitate to reach out for support. Keep a journal to track your meals, your progress, and how you're feeling, both physically and emotionally. This will be an invaluable tool on your journey. And remember, you don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's your healthcare team, a support group, or your loved ones. This is your journey, and you've got the power to make it amazing. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I can't wait to see you thrive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep shining.